For today, we have your 24-hour stock car, the orange one, and this violet one is called the Super Blitzen. 24-hour stock car with the blend of orange and black color, more of an endurance car style for lemons. Super Blitzen comes with a white and violet color combination. Definitely one of my favorite car. We love the color combination of the car and the mix. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more upcoming videos.